Aloha! We have made it to Hawaii. We are in our rental car. We just stopped at Foodland and stocked up, and we're getting ready to drive up to the resort. I am so excited to be here again. Let's do this.
So we have made it finally. We are at Aulani. Our room is not ready, so we just parked the car in the parking garage and we are headed over to Monkeypod to get some food because we are starving.
We had some food in the lounge at the airport at like 6 a.m. this morning, which was, what, 3 a.m. Hawaii time?
Monkeypod is right across the street from Aulani, definitely walkable, and it's fantastic.
So
Can't
good.
wait.
I'm excited to not be in a plane anymore.
I'm really excited for Monkeypod. I have been dreaming about this food for 3 years. They make their own like foam for the top of the Mai Tais. So their Mai Tais here are really good, but so are their other drinks too. So and the food is fantastic. Everything's really good. I'm just happy to be here.
All right, we found it.
I am so excited.
Virgin Mai Tai.
Appreciate it.
Pretty good.
I got the regular Mai Tai. Oh, I'm so excited. So good. Yum.
They make their own Mai Tai foam here, which is fantastic.
First up, we've got the morning after, which is like a mezcal margarita type thing. Really good. Dan actually ordered it, but he didn't love it as much as I did. I kind of love mezcal. I love like that smokiness. So I got the Bulgari pork tacos. This is gonna be real messy, so here we go. Wow. That is so good. So good.
All right, I got the Kahlua pork and pineapple pizza, which has jalapeno on it, and it looks fabulous.
Like we have everything. Honestly, not the best burger I've ever tasted. He makes better burgers.
It was a fantastic lunch over at Monkeypod. Now it's time to check in. So we just checked in and our room is ready. Room number, what, 1412? Is that what you said?
So I'm really excited because we're in the other tower this time. So we'll have a different vantage point for an ocean view, which I'm looking forward to.
Hopefully it's a good one.
Yeah, I think it will be. I've seen views from this. I don't think you can go wrong as far as like an ocean view. So
well, we'll see. We're gonna test that theory.
We're gonna test
right
that
now.
theory.
Let's go.
Here we go. In our.
You've got to scan in first.
Hush you. Hold on.
Oh my goodness, what is happening? What is happening?
Stop. Come in.
Ooh.
So we have our full kitchen with refrigerator and all the appliances and a rice cooker, which is a really cool feature here at Aulani. And then we've got our living area with our little kitchen table. There is a pull-out sofa sleeper. And then we also have a pull-down bed for Jennings. And then we've got, I think, some laundry. Oh, actually, this is just a closet, but there is laundry facilities in here somewhere.
Laundry's over here.
Laundry is over here. Yes, it is. Laundry facilities. And then we have our bedroom.
Ooh.
Bedroom and bathroom. So we've got our jacuzzi tub, our shower, sinks, all the cool stuff. Shall we check out our view?
Yes.
Let's do it. Yeah, this is pretty spectacular. This might be better than what it was the last time we were here. I like this tower. This is nice.
It's pretty cool. I don't know what this book is, I just found it.
This view is insane. I mean, it was amazing the first time around. This is crazy. This is better than I thought. To be honest, there are worse ways to spend your spring break. This is our makeup redemption Aulani tour. First time we were here was in March of 2020 when the world shut down. We actually had to end our trip a couple of days early because the world shut down and we were afraid that we were gonna get stuck here. So we didn't get to do everything that we wanted to do. Everything was shutting down while we were here. We arrived on the island of Oahu, and I mean, everything was going, buffets, everything, and within a couple days everything was shutting down. All dining, all everything. It was a little crazy, but this is fantastic. Standing out here, watching the sunset. It's crazy.
We should make our way out to that little secret spot.
Secret spot?
Yeah, that little like loop-de-loop out there.
Okay. At the Kalepa store, they've got some really cool Aulani specific merch. Some great shirts, great mugs. Oh man. Like that's...
It's a cool mug, but it doesn't.
That's pretty amazing.
It's like on one side. Oh,
Look at how cute he is.
No, that's okay. I wanted to ask.
He's so adorable. This might be the one. We will have to see. I have a few days to decide. He's so cute. They don't have my size, but I really like these pants.
Those are way too big.
Why no? Hopefully they get my size in before I leave. Just kidding, I think I found it. This is the one.
So good.
It has all of the Aulani stuff on it with the shave ice and the like Mickey head. That is really cute. Look at that. That looks exactly like you.
That would be 2 hats from Aulani. Or from Hawaii.
From Hawaii.
I have.
All right, and just down the way is the finer gift shop, Hale Manu, and it's pretty fantastic.
This purse is really cute. Dooney & Burke, and it's like the coffee mug over in the other store with the terrible handle that I might get anyway.
Dad doesn't get it.
I'm a little scared.
You're intimidated by my beauty.
And from Hale Manu, you just take the stairs down 1 level, and you can have the Makahiki buffet, and go out to the pools. Okay, it is gorgeous out here. The sun is setting. It's so beautiful. So, like when we first checked the weather coming down here, it looked like it was gonna be raining the entire time. And now, it is the most fantastic, beautiful weather ever.
Oh, koi!
So the beaches in Hawaii are all public, including Aulani's. So you can't sit in the chairs if you're not staying here, and you can't use their toys, but you can absolutely come to the Aulani Beach if you're not staying here. It's a public beach. And it is breathtaking. The sun is setting, the boys are going in the sand. We just walked to the pool area. The lazy river, the slides, and the splash, what's that bridge, Menehune Bridge, the kids splash pad area, all shuts down at 6, so that's all shut down because it's just after 6. But it is fantastic out here. This is unreal.
So beautiful. Oh, look at our boys. They're just sitting in the sand together. It's the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna have to go get a photo.
I did not wear my bathing suit, but I gotta go down here, right? So I took my shoes off, took my socks off, rolled in my pants. Here we go.
It's fun to watch or have the waves lap in and then suck out the sand out beneath your feet.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What is that? Protected with your lives. Oh
No one will ever know.
All right, I can't really imagine a better end to our first day.
It's been so spectacular just from the moment we stepped foot on the island. The weather's beautiful, the sunset was spectacular. It's just, everything's been perfect.
We have 5 nights here, so we gotta pace ourselves. Like, we got another 5 full days.
Pace ourselves.
Yeah.
All the relaxation come my way.
Pretty good into a first afternoon.
Yes.